Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your GitHub account. If you've decided that you no longer need your GitHub account, whether you're moving to a different platform or simply cleaning up your online presence, this guide will walk you through the permanent deletion process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account you want to delete, as this process is irreversible. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account configuration area where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub profile. Once you're in the Settings page, look at the left sidebar. You'll see a list of different setting categories. Click on Account. This section contains all the critical settings related to your account's existence and security. Now, scroll down through the account settings page. Keep scrolling until you reach the bottom section where you'll find the option labeled Delete Account. This is the area where GitHub places the most significant account actions to prevent accidental deletions. When you've located it, click the Delete Your Account button. GitHub takes account deletion seriously, so they've built in several confirmation steps to ensure you really want to proceed with this permanent action. A confirmation dialog box will appear on your screen. In the first text field, you'll need to type either your username or your email address. This is GitHub's way of verifying that you're the actual account owner and not someone who's accidentally stumbled into the deletion process. In the second text field, you'll need to type the exact phrase "delete my account" without the quotation marks. This additional confirmation step ensures you understand that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. It's important to type this phrase exactly as requested. Finally, once you've completed both text fields correctly, click the button that says Cancel Plan and delete this account. This final action will permanently remove your GitHub account along with all your repositories, gists, and associated data. And there you have it. Your GitHub account is now permanently deleted. Keep in mind that this process cannot be reversed, so make sure you've backed up any important code or data before proceeding. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.